Hi guys and welcome to Carflix. Today we're going to be removing the steering wheel on a 2010 Peugeot RCZ. This should also work for the Peugeot 308. So without further ado, let's crack on with that video. So the first thing you want to do is push your seat all the way back, and you also want to put the driver's side window down. For safety, so the airbag doesn't go off, we're now going to disconnect the battery, which is really simple. Lift the negative terminal and just flip it up with one thumb and it just comes off straight away. Next we're going to be drilling some holes. There's one located here and on the opposite side as well. Turn the steering wheel just above the stalk so it gives you room to get your 4mm drill bit in. And it's like rubber, so just go steady but drill it at a slight angle. I'd probably say about 10 degrees. So turn your steering wheel the opposite way around so it gives you access to the other side, and rinse repeat. Next thing you want to do is get an object like a screwdriver, approximately at least 7 inches long, and this is the kind of angle you want to be going for. It's horizontal with, I'd say, about a 10-degree kind of angle, and what you're trying to feel for is a spring. And as you push it in, once you've found the spring, the edge of the airbag will start to move out as you push it in. And what you want to do when you've kind of unlocked it with the spring is put a screwdriver in the gap. Next you want to get your screwdriver at the other side, and then we're going to do the same thing. Push the airbag in and it should just pop out with the pressure from the opposite screwdriver. And there you go. If you're enjoying this video so far, why not consider liking and subscribing? Now the airbag is free, you want to turn the airbag 90 degrees to the right to expose the airbag connector. Get a flathead screwdriver, push it into the nib and pop the nib off with gentle pressure. Using the same flathead screwdriver, go to the edge of the blue side of the connector and just prise it up very carefully. It should just pop out. Next, pull the airbag out and turn it the opposite way so it's on its side, and then we're going to give you access to the grey connector, which is the horn. And again, flathead screwdriver into the small nib and prise it with a little bit of wiggle in, supporting it from the other side, and it should just pop out like so. And there you have it, the airbag removed. Now the tool you're going to need is a Torx T50 1/2-inch drive that's going to detach the central bolt. Turn it anti-clockwise and make sure your steering lock is on. Once you feel that it's loose, undo your steering lock and get as central as possible. Get your T50 and just slowly remove it by hand, and then slowly wiggle it left and right very gently and it will slowly come off. Be very careful when you do this, you don't want to damage the connectors, and just push them through the back of the steering wheel. And there you have it, one steering wheel removed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Until the next one.